Hi guys, thanks for watching. Now in this video I'm going to be talking about my income streams, my income portfolio, what I'm doing, what I'm up to, how I'm managing everything, and more importantly I'm going to be talking about Mega Marketing Pro, which is the free marketing system that helps me to promote all my businesses in one place, and it gives you access to all the done for you tools that every marketer will need in order to market absolutely any business. So some of the known myths that people have about Mega Marketing Pro, they think that there's a business opportunities in there that they have to join in order to use it. That's not the truth. That's not true anymore. So now you can use this Mega Marketing Pro system. It's a completely generic system. You decide what businesses to put in there. Okay, so the choices are yours, and your personal referrals are going to see only your links. They're not going to see anything else. They're going to see just your links. Obviously, we do have traffic and tools that we have in here. So those are the things that you're going to want to take action with. But those are things that people need anyway. So anyone who's in business and who's serious about their business, they're going to be needing those traffic platforms anyway. So there's a lot of good training and a lot of good recommendations for traffic and tools and how to market your business. So now, first of all, I want to talk about my income portfolios, what I'm doing, and what I'm focused on. So basically, my income portfolios consist of obviously Pariba, which is always my number one business. I love it. We are evolving. We're going to move into and transition into Trilliant, which is very exciting. So those of you who are looking for a very exciting hands-free passive income, that's really exciting. This is in the crypto space, but I'm not 100% in crypto. My income portfolio consists of precious metals, forex. I invest in forex, precious metals, and a few other things. So first of all, as I say, Pariba, I've been involved for over 2 years, and we're excited about the new transition into Trilliant. Also, my other income portfolio is My Daily Choice. I'm really excited about My Daily Choice. I feel that it is essential not only just to have multiple streams of income, but have income streams that are in different areas. Because I like to feel that I've got my money in different areas. My focuses are in different areas, different sectors. I think that's sensible. So for me, I use those products at My Daily Choice anyway. I'm going to put the link below to My Daily Choice, but I use those products anyway, and I've been using them for over several years now. So I've only just recently got active with the business side, but I absolutely swear by these products. There's all the obvious, such as weight loss and weight management and body health and cosmetics, but there's also the CBD products, which are amazing, and also we've even got a fashion clothing range, so that's amazing. Unfortunately, something I can't purchase here in Japan, and a number of other things like bath care, like special care for your skin and body, and soap and shampoos and all kinds of things. We've also got essential oils. We've got a huge range, but not only that, we've also got an entire travel portal where you can save up to 75% on your travel excursions and your flights and your car rentals, you name it. So people do travel. I'm based in Japan. That's essential for me. I do travel back to the UK. I do do a lot of that. But even domestically, if you're traveling domestically, you're going to be able to book your excursions, travel with the kids, do family holidays, that kind of thing. Book it through your own portal and save, but also you can share it and get excited about it and make money from it. The other thing we've got in My Daily Choice is a CashX, which is a full-blown cryptocurrency and forex training platform. It's got the academy in there. It's got a lot of training in there. It's huge, and you can make money by getting excited and sharing that out. So another so many other things with My Daily Choice. So as I said, CBD products are very popular. Also, my other portfolio, my other income stream is precious metals. I'm with Mint Builder. I love that, because as I've already talked about, the fact that I'm heavily involved in cryptocurrency. I'm also, in forex, and I'm talking about precious metals. Somebody I know a lot of people respect. I do too, Robert Kiyosaki. he always talks about the fact that precious metals, gold and silver, this is God's money. Nobody can really take that away from you. If you have hedging against inflation is a very, very good thing, but especially with precious metals, because unlike fiat currency, which is regarded as government money, you don't really truly have control. And with inflation, you want something else there, such as being able to purchase bullion and collectibles that can give you that can hold the value for long term. So this is really exciting. You don't need me to tell you how valuable, how important, and how, in my opinion, essential to really look at precious metals. So that's really essential to me. And you don't need to be wealthy to get in that. You can order precious metals for as little as $30, $40, $50. And if you keep doing it month after month, you can build that up. And you're building up your own portfolio. I'm also. So I've mentioned Paraiba, and I'm excited about Trilliant. We're starting our own coin, our Paycoin, and also our token, our value token. That's exciting. So I'm involved in cryptocurrency and passive earnings. I'm also, and as I said, My Daily Choice, where I can get all the products I need that I'm using anyway. I might as well buy from my own store. Plus, precious metals, which makes me feel as an all-round very essential for my financial future. But one more income stream actually that's not network marketing. It's a local investment I have in Tokyo, and I've put in quite a large investment into that. But it's providing me a very good monthly passive income. It's a company that's been around for over 10 years. As I say, it's not network marketing. It's a very reputable company based in Tokyo, and they do the forex trading on my behalf. So it's a complete hands-free income, and I earn, easily, not quite well, around $3,000 a month. $3,000 a month for a lot of people, for most people's standards, that is a decent income. So just from that alone, I'm able to earn a good income. But that, that's I don't know if the high ticket is the right word to use, but they're not going to look, you're not going to be able to invest in that company unless you've got at least, I don't know, quite a substantial, like, I don't know, $10,000 will get you, it will get you in at the entry, but that's up to you. But I put in over $20,000, something like that, and thanks to Paraiba, I've been able to put aside a lot of money and get into investment, good quality, solid investments like that, and hedge against all the other things that I'm doing. So that income just comes in every single month. Now, I'm not going to say that particular income stream is going to be available for people around the world. It's certainly available for people here in Japan, because I do have quite a few people who are now subscribed to me here on my channel who are based in Japan. And I'm building up quite a team here in Japan. So shout out to you guys, and thanks for coming on my channel. But definitely something that if you're based in Japan and you're looking for a good solid investment, that's something that I do highly recommend. Anyway, so that's what I'm up to. I'm really, really focused on these income streams. I've basically mentioned 4 solid income streams that I'm really excited about. They are in different sectors. I feel very confident about that, very excited about that. If you've got any questions, get with me. I'll put my direct link to contact me below. But I'm looking for serious people, guys. I'm not looking, I get a lot of people who just come into my inbox saying hello and hi and hello dear. So that doesn't help. I usually end up just ignoring those people. But if you've got some specific questions and you're ready to take massive action with me on what we're doing here, whether it's with Mega Marketing Pro or whether it's with any of these streams of income that I'm really focused on, get with me. And the other thing is, I get a lot of people who are sort of in other teams within Mega Marketing Pro. Guys, everyone has their own sponsor. So, this is just a free marketing system. So if you're under someone else, those are the people who are going to really, be able to help you out. But basically, if you're with me and and you're solid and you're really passionate about what we're doing here and where we're moving forward, get with me. Absolutely, get with me. I'm really excited to be working with you. So thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos. Bye for now, and cheers.